Albert Anastasia, the feared mob boss of the mid-20th century, operated with a level of meticulousness and ruthlessness that set him apart from his peers. This video aims to shed light on the modus operandi of Albert Anastasia, providing insight into the strategies and tactics he employed to maintain control, instill fear, and exercise power within the underworld of organized crime. The rule of fear. At the core of Albert Anastasia's modus operandi lay an unwavering commitment to instilling fear in those who crossed his path. His reputation as a ruthless and cold-blooded leader served as an effective deterrent, ensuring that both subordinates and rivals thought twice before challenging his authority. Anastasia understood the power of intimidation and employed it strategically to maintain control over his criminal enterprises. Ruthless elimination of rivals. Anastasia exhibited a zero-tolerance policy when it came to rivals who posed a threat to his criminal empire. Known for ordering countless executions throughout his career, Anastasia swiftly dealt with those who challenged his dominance or undermined his authority. Whether it was rival mobsters, potential turncoats, or disloyal underlings, Anastasia wasted no time in eliminating perceived threats to his power. Strategic use of murder incorporated. One of the defining features of Anastasia's modus operandi was his involvement with Murder Incorporated, a notorious criminal organization responsible for carrying out contract killings. As a key figure within this group, Anastasia used it to efficiently and discreetly eliminate targets, ensuring their deaths appeared as accidents or remained unsolved mysteries. This not only allowed him to distance himself from the crimes but also sent a chilling message to anyone who dared to cross him. Consolidation of power through loyalty. Anastasia understood the importance of loyalty within his criminal enterprises. To maintain control and ensure the longevity of his reign, he surrounded himself with loyal associates and family members who shared his vision and were dedicated to his cause. Through this network of trusted individuals, Anastasia was able to extend his influence and maintain a tight grip on his criminal operations. Diversification of criminal activities. Another key aspect of Anastasia's modus operandi was his ability to adapt and diversify criminal activities. Recognizing the potential profits in a range of illegal enterprises, he expanded beyond traditional organized crime activities such as bootlegging and gambling. Anastasia ventured into labor racketeering, drug trafficking, and other illicit ventures, using his influence and connections to amass wealth and power. Strategic alliances and connections. Anastasia was a master at building strategic alliances and fostering connections with influential individuals, not only within the criminal world but also in politics, law enforcement, and high society. Leveraging these alliances, he could manipulate situations, gain protection, and exert influence discreetly. This allowed him to operate with relative impunity by establishing a network of powerful allies who would shield him from law enforcement and protect his interests. Conclusion. Albert Anastasia's modus operandi is a chilling testament to his calculating nature, strategic mindset, and unwavering quest for power. Through a combination of fear, violence, loyalty, and calculated alliances, he established himself as a force to be reckoned with in the world of organized crime. His ability to adapt, diversify, and strike fear into the hearts of his enemies cemented his notorious legacy as one of the most feared mob bosses of his time.